You found us! We're happy you stumbled upon us on our MEATER channel. Mama always said, if you've got it, flaunt it. Well, here's a way you can share your cook by emailing a link, texting it, airdropping it, or blowing it up on a big monitor. After you've started a cook, tap the three dots at the top right. Tap web link, and now you can share a URL link. Or you can tap the three dots for more, and now you can email it, text it, airdrop it, or send a link to your computer. Here's a pro tip. Send the link to your computer, connect the computer to your TV or a large monitor, and now you can watch your cook on a big boy screen. Yep, the one that's right outside in your outdoor kitchen, next to the wet bar. Yeah, we know what's up. For more Prono videos and more recipe inspirations, follow us on social media, subscribe to this channel, and find us on MEATER.com. See you at the next barbecue. See you at the next barbecue. I don't know what this was. Yeah. See you at the next barbecue.